Hey ladies, Angie Yousey here. I wanted to inform you of our women's gathering that I host once a month, every third Saturday of the month. It's called Made for More Women in Unity. This is a wonderful opportunity for all women to come together. We do crafts together, we support each other, we love on each other, we help support each other's businesses. It is just a great opportunity to network and to come just to have a time of self-care. And this time we're going to have a very, very special guest, Linda Hodge. She is a professional cake decorator. She's going to come and she's going to share her expertise. We're going to decorate some cupcakes and eat them. So come on out, bring your friends, bring your girlfriends, bring your granddaughters, your daughters, your sisters, nieces, whoever. It is free to attend. You just need to show up. I just want the whole world to know about Made for More because it really is a good time. Saturday, July 15th, 10 a.m., Spirit of Love Ministries, 7260 Smoky Row Road, Columbus, Ohio, 43235. Or you can go to our website, which is m4mohio.com. Saturday,